had the whole Christmas zoo, but that was much.
Yeah.
Short mic. Yeah, short mic.
Yeah.
Dad went out with her.
That was
Can't hide.
last year.
Oh,
That ain't her fault.
9 years.
You thought you were being slick with that camera. I saw you earlier.
No, we got everyone.
You're documenting this. Great.
He just turned it on.
We can blackmail you later.
Where do you live?
Anybody want to steal my Altoids
Hey, if
from
they're
me?
cinnamon, you better watch out.
Nope, they're original. Curious Mint. Curiously strong.
That one has sushi snakes.
Nobody wants your mint so far. You're lucky.
No, please don't bite it.
That was number 4.
Oh, you got smart.
Uh-oh, you should be
Damn, Elliot's 4. Damn!
I'm 4 because Ellie made me trade with him.
Elliot should have kept it.
Alright.
I think I'm just gonna hide them.
When it's your turn,
Quietly hide them.
when it's your turn, you can still
your
take the
turn.
Smarties if you want.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Yes,
3, 4,
Smarties.
5
Yeah.
things of
He's got
Smarties.
4,
Don't take one
5
and hide
packets.
it.
Yeah, I got Altoids. Recognize the Altoids.
But one is like dangling, look.
Yeah.
Stop.
Took me a whole sheet to wrap that.
Oh, wow. Barbados, I want that one. That's a memoir.
That's like one of those earthy teachers. You know?
Alright. Who else will still like it?
It's 5.
Wait a minute,
Hey,
Carly.
that cost me money.
Can
Anything you can take.
How much?
If you got, I should have stole your stuff. Oh!
Now Paige gets to go
No,
again.
Paige gets to go again.
Yeah,
You just keep it.
Paige is gonna pick 10 Smarties.
Until everyone likes it. Yeah, don't go take the camera.
Nobody likes my laptop. I thought it was very creative, actually.
Cat we found.
I thought they were pretty creative too. Gotta do with what you have.
I think they look really cute.
Oh, this is great.
Vanilla ice cream. Deck of cards.
I got Barbados card.
What do you mean? Yeah, we all like those. They're kind of cute.
Which ones did you get?
You show everybody.
I'm glad you didn't steal my Altoids.
Ivory blue cards. Ivory blue cards. What number was that?
It was whatever's after Haley. What was Haley? 5, so 6 goes. That's you, Mike. Sorry.
Right out on
Please
mine.
spare me.
Well, you don't want a tourist memo?
No, it isn't shit.
Did you get potpourri? Or is that a candle?
It's gold.
Well, as far as candles go, it's a pretty nice candle.
Do you have a girlfriend?
I like this in my room and I get beat up. Give it to Brett.
7.
Okay. Not me.
Oh, okay.
Different Brett.
Oh, good. So take
And wait till you see what I packed them with so you couldn't see through. Grocery bags.
My mom was just.
TP.
I went all
Did
out.
you use the? We were gonna use newspaper. Another grocery bag.
Be careful because I packed them so much.
Mom forgot to put something in it.
No. Well, otherwise you could see through. So I had to like pat them.
Oh, let me guess. Playing cards.
Different design.
Doesn't look like they're all there. We got a
Damn,
long
yours
plate
is
ride home.
nicer. Thank you.
You can take them.
Hey, I'm looking pretty. All right. That was like 8, right?
Fish on
8
it.
Eight.
So we're up to 8.
8.
Who's 8?
All right.
Oh,
Who's
right.
Mike is 8?
Oh, you gotta go
I just got to
again.
go again.
You get to go again.
Excited.
I had such a... I don't want any playing cards.
I am trying to remember what my mom.
Yeah, I gotta... I Mom, you better trade me for this. It's an angel. You better trade me for
When
this.
my mom decided about
I see his
10
hand
years old, I
burning.
collect angels.
It's not even a good Christmas present.
Ah, nice number.
91.
That's a nice number.
I got
Riley was
91.
Mike, steal it from him.
Better than the candle.
That was a cute one. That was cute.
Gel pens, what is it? Hello Kitty?
Nobody take this from me. Is that what you just said?
Oh, Asia's taking that from
Hey.
me. Asia wants those pens.
Uh-oh, Ashley's a Hello Kitty
I'm
fan.
Yeah, so you 10?
I'm 10.
Ah.
Are we up to 10? Take.
All right.
Why did I take the camera?
Oh, good.
No, Mom, take my Christmas ornament.
No, I wanted to torture you.
I'm the good son.
I'm the good son.
I like that angel. Rat and I could swap in the end.
Can I hide what I get?
I don't know.
Wait a
You
minute.
could have a
No, I
teacher
didn't
bag.
trust you there.
Mike, it's a little framed picture of the stewardess.
You guys gave that one away.
She laughs,
Straight
but it's going to be
faces.
her new book bag for 2003. What have I got some?
Is that
Brown.
I'll take it and give it to Gabrielle can take it back.
She might want to
cute.
take
You got a purse. You finally got a purse.
I got boxers. Thank God. I've been wearing the same pair for like 2 years.
That's a good present.
Yeah, it is.
Bad thing is he's probably
See
got
what
They're
size.
extra small.
No, he is. He doesn't wear any boxers.
Gel, I like those gel pens.
Now he will.
So you can go pull again.
That's not very Christmassy.
And you can take, someone else can take from Lisa.
Yeah,
if you
and
want.
you can take from Lisa, whoever else.
She's gonna look. I know what this is.
No, you won't.
I still don't know what it is.
Well, you can take it from her. Go take it from her.
I'll give somebody a
Oh,
dollar.
Nick
Stick again?
Yeah.
Like 3
Look at
times.
all these stickers.
You would stick it right down in your water bottle.
I think Elliot's going to steal this.
Here you go, buddy. That way number 12 has got it.
Oh, yes, he will.
It's a torpedo shark.
Look at Elliot rolling his eyes.
13.
Oh, that was one of the extras.
Yeah, the extras. We got
14.
rid of 14.
14.
Go, Thomas.
Tom, you don't want this lovely bag?
This isn't what we did, is it?
How about my
Yeah.
But you would like it.
The little one, that's
Take
nice.
Mom's.
They're going to be loud.
Don't let me take Mom's,
They're
please.
the little, they're the dregs.
Take one
She
of
picked some
Corey's.
good
Take
ones,
hers.
though.
Take my Mom's. Come on.
You can steal the gel pens.
He doesn't know what I bought.
I'm pretty sure.
I think I know what that is.
Everybody knows what it is.
Yeah, I don't want that.
I do.
You've already drawn.
Yeah.
Someone's got to
your
steal
turn's
the
done.
boxers from you, and then you can steal it.
They'll trade an angel for that.
An angel? I got about that on my dresser. You trade an angel?
What are we to
They're
now?
about the same
15?
size, actually.
15.
How much money you got
This
on
beer, it's about 3/4 full. You can have both.
That stays anyway, isn't it?
Oh, this will be fun.
And the camera, too. The camera and the angel.
Your rubber ducky is.
16.
16.
That shark is a torpedo shark. I know.
But
But I'm 91. No, you're 16. No, I'm 91.
All right, we're up to 91.
My presents keep picking.
Yes, my presents are just great. They're not going to get any better.
guess what? I bet you that's going to be a tourist one too. Yep, it is.
Probably a cow.
Barbados hat?
Yep.
Oh, yes.
Hey, I got that same one.
Hey, you're a construction worker.
See, now when you get back home, everybody will know that you went to Barbados.
Construction worker.
I should have. 17, bitch. She's going to give that away for
No.
17. Yeah, it's your 17.
92.
Who has something you
Do
want?
you want to take some from somebody?
You don't want those gel pens?
That's a boxers.
Boy, would Elliot be mad if I took that shark?
There's one the gel pen. Or you could have the torpedo chart. Or you could have this lovely bag here and give Miss Stevie.
I got mints.
I don't have anything.
It is hot.
I got.
Yeah, he took my mints. Take his mints
don't want
back.
these
Yeah, I was seeing everything.
Poor Gab. Gab, you choose what you want.
She likes the open presents.
Take the rest of them.
She's not gonna take anything that's open. Her, there's prizes there.
She's the last one, isn't she?
No, Ashley hasn't
Ashley.
gone. There should be 2 left because I left out. So we could maybe swap those.
Yeah, I thought I was all like in the mix there for a second, and then I realized.
I know it's gonna be like a bug or something. That's why I said it.
Why did
I can fill up mine.
Wait, I wanted that.
What?
Yeah, you got it now. You got
You gotta open it.
No, I don't know. Come on, Ash.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
What?
That or nudie playing cards. I can't.
All right. I'm gonna wear these too.
Like you should have picked that one. You would have got that inside of the boxers. Oh man.
He's like, man, and I got boxes.
You missed out, Mike. You could have given that to Brett.
What you got, Gabs? Nice.
2 things left that we don't normally. You would stop. Oh, you got a cute little cup.
What we ought to do is state your case on why you should be able to open one of those. Get another turn.
I'm fine with mine.
I found mine.
I think I should get to pick somebody's.
Okay.
I think
Probably yours.
All right, why don't we start over with number 2 and then we'll go all the way around again.
okay.
That's fair.
How about that? Now we keep swapping and then till those open and then we'll
But this
stop.
time I'll be 9. You be 6.
2 people will have 2 of them? No, yeah, it doesn't matter.
Well, how about if we know? Let's stop.
Oh, you want to step back?
Those are gonna go back and
I think we should go backwards
Backwards.
and let the person
Who was
give
the
their present to someone and take the other, so you exchange.
Say exchange. Okay, but what about the 2 left?
Well, they can do that too. They
What
can
if
put
you
their
want
present
to
back
keep
out.
their
and take
Okay,
their present.
okay. Keep your present.
So the person
Good,
has to
Papa,
worry
because
about
I really wanted that
You're
ornament.
like, keep what you exchanged for. You're kind of screwing it up, aren't you?
Wait, so we go back?
Oh, yeah, no.
that's rare, Rihanna's full.
We can just.
Yeah, where are they?
Alright, who's accountable for the count?
Get him, Nick. Get him.
You see that?
Ashley never got much marks anyway.
Why did somebody eat them?
He's pissed at her.
They all share.
Except with me.